Hello viewers, welcome to Linuxmint.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Pixeluvo image editor on Linuxmint Reading 3. Pixeluvo is a beautifully designed image and photo editor for PC and Linux. It is used to simple photographing and resizing to complex image manipulation with multiple adjustment layers and maskers. And then Pixeluvo image editor can handle just about all your day-to-day image editing requirements. Okay, now let us see how to install Pixeluvo image editor on Linuxmint Reading 3. Now here first of all we have to download the Pixeluvo image editor application using my wget command. The download is going on. The download is complete now. Then after downloading we have to install the Pixeluvo image editor application using by GDB. Click Y and continue the installation. Now here the installation successfully completed. Now we have to open the Linuxmint menu. Here we have to type Pixeluvo. Now Pixeluvo image editor application shown on the screen. Now we have to open this application. Now here we can see Pixeluvo image editor. Now you can able to use this application. Then here we have to check the version of Pixeluvo. Now here we can see the version of Pixeluvo 1.6.2. Thus we have seen how to install Pixeluvo on Linuxmint Reading 3. Thus we have seen how to install Pixeluvo image editor on Linuxmint Reading 3. Thus we have seen how to install Pixeluvo image editor on Linuxmint Reading 3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxscape. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxscape.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxscape.com.